All right, welcome back to another portfolio update. The market is closed for the week. It's Friday. We ended up pretty good today, up 656 after hours. It's still moving, so we're positive $2. Past week, it's been a little rough, minus 1,038. Past month, we're still up 755. 3 months, 54.15. Year to date, 66.57. 1 year, 69.57. And overall, we're up 19,066 at 52%. All right, so some of you guys are back to see what happened to the options that I was messing around with, the margin, dividend income. I'll show you guys all of that. So let's start with the options. So if you didn't see the last video, last couple videos, I'm using margin right now, and I'll show you what we have. We have right now, it's showing I'm using up 29,400 of margin available right now. There's a buffer of 10,000. So I have over 50,000 in margin, and the portfolio is worth 55,000. So almost a little bit over 100,000 total. So we used Google to sell a put here, use some money, and as you guys know, Google has been dropping from whatever it was, 180 something. We're down to 166.94 right now. So this option I had to roll. It was going to be I was going to purchase shares today at 180. I rolled it for next week, and I'll show you guys what that was like. Here's the roll. So I was going to close. I closed the one at 180 down there at the bottom. It was 1389. Multiply that times 100, so it's 1389. So I got out of that one, and then I rolled it into this new one, which is a week from today, 1392. So there was a little bit of profit there, $3. So, and I wanted to lower it at a lower strike. I mean, I wanted to roll it at a lower strike, but 180 was the best I could do to kind of break even with Google, just because it's dropped a lot. So we'll see how next week is. Might have to roll again. We'll see. Now, also did one on Nvidia. This was going to expire today, so we did roll this one as well, and there's a roll there at the bottom. 117 was the strike for today, so I rolled this one to next week at a lower strike. So we got a 114 strike for next week, and we made a profit of about $45 on this trade. So this is good. We made $45, so not bad. So that's what's going on with those. Those are the ones on margin. And of course, we have this GME one we've been rolling for a month or two. And this Robinhood one is whatever. And just make a little bit of money on that. So that's not a big deal. All right, so let's get into the dividend that have come in. Let's switch that over. And I'll show you guys, you know what, before we do that, I'll show you options here. So you guys can have a look at what's going on with my options for July. So I did the math. We're positive about $350 for the month. So did a Chewy down there on July 1st. Chewy, I think it was a call, and then I got out of the call, so I made like $4. I did exit. What did I do on that one? What is that GME put? Oh, I think that was a roll. What is that one? I don't remember what that was. What was this one? Oh, this was with the margin. Yeah, this one we had sold it the month before right here at 975. So then I bought it back at 360. So there was a profit there. So we did the Nvidia 78, small GME $3, Tesla 129, Enphase made $9. Then we had Robinhood 10, Google 315. This was a roll on GameStop $4, Nvidia 114. A call on AMC $2, GME $5. Then the rolls from this morning 45 and $3, and that's about it for the options. Now let's take a look at dividends that are coming in. for July. So I'll do a whole detailed next week at the end of the month. So UGI paid, QYLD, I think QYLD is paying twice this month. SCHD, JEP, Q and JEPI, Microsoft Yield Max, and the TSLY Yield Max, Altria, AG&C, Main Street, Stag, Realty Income, PSEC, and pending are SPHD, QYLD again, ARR, and I think that's it for the month. We'll find out next week. Next month we have those two right there, AT&T and Verizon. So I think we broke 300 on the dividends for the month, so that's good. And hopefully we'll see what happens next week with the options and the margin that I'm using. I think NVIDIA might be okay. It's 112.98, almost 113. So next week, if it goes up a little bit and it closes out, it expires, we'll be okay. We'll use margin again. And if it goes up a little bit more, I'll buy it and get out. Same thing with Google. I might have to push this one a little bit further if we look to roll. So let's just kind of say we want to roll like on the 16th. So our cost is 1278. What? See, if we go look at the strike, 180, it's 1448. Great, we'll make a few $100. If we go to 175, we're losing like $300 or two something. So I don't know. Do I take the loss and go to the strike of 175 or go out further to the end of the month? Look at that. We're still losing a hundred and something, maybe $200 at 175. So it's kind of a interesting one now to try to roll this. Even if we go further, a month and a half, almost 2 months, that 175 is still not good enough. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Wait till next week. Hopefully Google goes up, then we can get out. I don't know, or keep rolling, or just take the shares at 180 and sell calls. I don't know. If we sell, let's say we own Google. Let's say we took the shares today, and next week we sell a call for next week, and it has to be above 180 because that's what I paid 180. Look, $13 at 180. It's nothing. If we push it out for 2 weeks, 180. Yeah, it's $36. I think it's better to roll for now and break even until it goes up. I don't know. We'll see. We'll take it week by week, but keep following. Um, Comment below, see what you guys think. Did we mess up? Should we have bought AMZY with all the margin money and just make dividend income? I don't know. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Thanks.